Nexo, for the most part is a coin that especially is as of now exchanged at $0.960958 per unit, with the market capitalization of $538,136,654, that especially makes it a low-positioned cryptographic money, versus the thought. Computerized resources like Nexo generally have currently sort of turned into the point of convergence of consideration, not just for sort of retail financial backers and examiners. Yet additionally for kind of huge institutional financial backers who truly see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as a truly successful fence against expansion that takes a truly weighty cost for the worldwide economy, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Thusly, having basically a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto sort of is essentially an unquestionable necessity for any broker and financial backer who generally needs to, in every practical sense, develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years. However, with it sort of comes the need to intently especially follow the improvements on the expressed market to fathom what is going on and in a real sense, have some feeling representing things to come in a very significant manner. This Nexo cost expectation model for the most part was made to assist a peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, track down the sort of the best coins or tokens to in a real sense put resources into, and generally keep the value bend filling in an unobtrusive manner. However, prior to digging into the overall Nexo examination and cost forecast, we might want to help you to remember the sort of fundamental guidelines of digital currency exchanging and speculation. So, we should zero in on the Nexo market, its especially current standings, as well as the mid-term and genuinely long-haul cost expectation that explicitly depends on the readings of our exclusive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Right now, the cost of Nexo especially remains at $0.960958, and this specific computerized resource truly stands firm on the 70th footing in the worldwide digital money positioning, which basically is very huge. For your data, the genuinely positioning of each and every digital money truly is vigorously dependent on its all things considered, current market capitalization and cost, and sort of is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to in an unpretentious manner. Likewise, to get a kind of better generally handle of the market circumstance and in a real sense, grasp the especially broad course of the pattern, or to enroll its non-appearance, it's likewise essential to truly dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, which is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on January 10, the cost of Nexo by and large remained at $0.939764 at the end of the day, today exchanging meeting, which is a 1.62% contrast when contrasted with the really current cost. 7 days prior, on January 4, the Nexo market explicitly remained at $0.880442 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost most certainly moved by 0% corresponding to its kind of present standing. A month prior, on December 11, Nexo by and large was valued at $0.833815, which fundamentally matched with our cost expectation for that really specific period in an unpretentious manner. Contrasted with the exceptionally present place of Nexo, it addresses a 15.25% cost move, or so they really thought. At the point when it essentially comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves basically more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance, in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its exceptionally in general fame with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, or so they in a real sense thought. Numerous digital currency merchants view market capitalization as a vital pointer to generally be considered prior to going with exchanging choices, which sort of is very huge. It especially is determined by duplicating the all-out number of coins that for the most part are as of now available for use, flowing stockpile, by the ongoing cost of Nexo, which, as currently referenced, as of now essentially remains at $0.960958, which generally is genuinely critical. Considering that recipe, we basically have determined the in every practical sense current market capitalization of Nexo to especially be at $538,136,654, which legitimizes its place as the 70th coin among those present on the digital money market, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on January 10, the market capitalization of Nexo remained at $526,267,978. Keep going week, on January 4. The truly aggregate sum of in every practical sense, capital committed to Nexo, was laid out at $493,047,419. the information from a month prior, enlisted on December 11, all things considered, shows that Nexo explicitly had a market capitalization of $466,936,215 in a significant manner. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that truly have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made, and in every practical sense, are either coursing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders in every practical sense, cold wallets. The in every practical sense, complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that essentially have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate in a truly significant manner. It tends to be contrasted with the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that really is public on the securities exchange, or so they especially thought. The absolute stockpile of Nexo presently for the most part remains at 100,000,000 Nexo, which really is very huge. As currently made sense of, the circling supply certainly is the most usually involved truly metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to in an unpretentious manner. It compares with the fundamentally the best estimate of the general number of coins that sort of are public on cryptographic money trades and for the most part add to their liquidity in an in every practical sense, significant way. Their volume doesn't in a real sense incorporate the coins that by and large are vested, marked in especially shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or truly put unavailable for general use, so contrasted with the really present place of Nexo, it addresses a 15.25% cost move. The flowing inventory truly is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the securities exchange, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. At the present time, the flowing inventory of Nexo generally is assessed at 560,000,011 Nexo, or so they basically thought. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Nexo market fundamentally added up to $5,498,824. Exhibiting the outcome, the cost really moved by 0%, comparable to its been large present standing. A month prior, on December 11, Nexo was valued at $0.833815, which generally concurred with our cost expectation for that truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on January 10, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting sort of added up to $4,676,653 versus the really thought. 7 days prior, on January 4, the force of Nexo exchanging all through the meeting came to $6,547,790 in an unpretentious manner. This information and the events on the Nexo outline can really assist you with especially surveying for yourselves the extremely current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the exceptionally current course or making an especially inversion. As currently referenced, the Crypto Unpredictability Record (CVIX) fundamentally is our especially essential instrument for making the most dependable expectations with respect to the cost of Nexo in 1 to 5 years' time, showing how this information and the events on the